everybody. Welcome to our Sunday edition of Decorate Your Life. Today I am going to be briefly showing you what I have completed in this journal. Not completed, but have gotten ready for completion as we go along. I cut a bunch of stuff, and if you go over and you notice, our Miss Jenny did sort of the same thing. She printed out enough ephemera, and she did a week's worth of journaling in one video, which I thought was grand. In fact, that's what gave me the idea. Thank you, Miss Jenny. We have the greatest team, guys. You're going to love us all. So hop on over. I'll put the links to everybody's channels in the description box below, as well as how to get to Sandy's channel and her web store, and how to pick up your very own kits, okay? We are working in the Shabby Chic Junk Journal Kit, Shabby Chic Vintage Junk Journal Kit, and I have some envelopes that I've made that we'll be using. They'll go, I'm not doing anything on the printed pages. They're too pretty. I may put lace on the edge, and that'll be that. But they'll go like here. And this will be a Polaroid, right? And I'm trying to work it so that the Polaroid is actually a pocket on some of them, not all of them. And then we have another Polaroid. So you see, this would be the card that slid in, right? So it would slide in, slide out. Still working on that. Not totally where I want to be with that one yet. And then we have some tags. We have some super large tags, and we have some smaller tags. These guys are going to be my pockets to slide things in, or a belly band, right? Or maybe I will fold them here in the middle, and we'll put something here and something here. I just cut them out. We're going to let our mind run when the time comes. And then these things, some of them are just repeats. This is a page topper, right? So this one will cover up some of our beauty there, but not much. See, it's going to go this way, right? And then I'm going to make another one that goes, wait, I had it upside down. Sorry about that. I had it upside down. There'll be one for this side, right? Look at that. And then one on the opposite side of the same. Let me get one that's printed on both sides. I printed some on both sides just for this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you fold in half. Bring up. Let's see. Let's bring it up this way. Bring up. Fold in half. It is that simple, guys. So we have this one, and then we'll have this one. And these will be held. You can put something in the pockets. Probably should go on the bottom or midway. Yeah, I think we should put them about midway. Or, you know, however you want to do it. But there'll be pockets like so. And then you will slide things in here. Right? Then you'll slide things in here. And then when you turn the page, you have the same thing on this side. Now, the beauty of these is they're removable. You can put them wherever you want. Okay, I have those. Then we have the coin envelopes for the front. Now these will be such that they go in and out, because this is going to be a lace page. And then we have our envelopes. We'll have belly bands, and I'm really honestly considering making our belly bands out of lace. I think I'm going to trim some of this to put under, and then cover it with lace. I think that'll look really good, but that's where we're at. So throughout this next week, I want to finish up one of our homemade pocket. Now see, this may or may not fit in there. Yeah, so you could put this inside of here. You could put it in your belly bands. You could really put it wherever you want. Just like so, okay? So we're going to have this all done up. And again, I'm going to try very hard to avoid putting anything on these pages. In fact, I think I may use these as the bottom. You can use them either way, see? That would be the bottom of that page. And this would be the bottom of this page. I may be doing them this way. Just like so. Isn't that pretty? So we'll be doing stuff like that throughout the week, guys. And then this is a folio style. I know it looks rough right now, but it opens and your little journal is inside here. So that'll have pink paper in it. This will get glued to here. This will also probably be a pocket where you could stick a ticket in. Remember those tickets that Sandy made and flip out? And then maybe I'll put a little something in there, but we still got to put that together, and that will be something that gets done over the course of the next week, right? We're bringing it up to speed, guys. Now, I encourage you, this is one of the Polaroids. I can't wait to redo these little pockets. I want to do these so much so that they go on them. This one might be able to work as the front page. Might be. It's a little bit wider. Maybe not. Anyhow, I'm going to shrink them so they fit, and we can use them for pockets in there. So that's next up. And I'm loving it. I'm having a lot of fun. Lots of fun. Like I said, I hope you get over there. Go get your kit and journal along. See, here's that envelope. We're going to embellish. We'll make it look gorgeous. It's already gorgeous, but we're going to add some trim to it. And look at it. And I love the way my spine turned out. That, you guys, I am so happy with. I have the belly, the center of one of the pages with all those gorgeous flowers on it, covered with lace. And then these came from Sandy's shop. These I ordered someplace else, but these you can find in her shop. As well as gorgeous lace trims, everything you'd need to create a journal, including the kit. So hop on over, and if I haven't said it any time during the video, happy Mother's Day to all our moms, stepmoms, grandmas, aunts, everybody who has taken on that role of mom. You are blessed and you are appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.